Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you all a little bit of what Google Analytics has to offer, how to get better data from your Shopify store, and also how to possibly create better ad sets through attracting or dialing into the interest of the people who are visiting your Shopify store. So initially, I wish I could show you all this, but all my accounts have already been set up. But if you go under audience and then demographics, it should prompt you to set it up. So Google Analytics doesn't offer this out of the box. I think it's just a simple one-click button, and it will kind of like set it up for you. But I want to say that it's called Analyze Demographics and Interest Data. And you just have to enable that when you go to audience demographics. I think it will prompt you, and I think it's just a one-click button that you need to click, and you'll get it activated. So this is the home screen, as you all can see. And it has Google Analytics is just filled with data, and it's just the deeper you dig, of course, the more data that you get. But it has a ton of good information on it. Shows you, time of day, users by time of day here. It shows you the countries that are most active on your website, and of course the devices and so forth. But what I want to show you all is potentially how to make better Facebook ad sets and which interest to target here. So let's go ahead and dig in. So we'll go under audience, we'll go under demographics and overview. And this kind of gives you a good breakdown of the age groups that are visiting your website, as well as the genders. Now, of course, you can see that I'm only targeting female audience, and this is kind of like the age groups that are active on the website, my Shopify page. As you can see, it's kind of a mixed bag. I think I would at this point just want to keep on running ads to get a better idea of what age group is most populated on the web page and so forth. So let's go ahead and dig deeper. We're in audience demographics, and let's go to age. This is also just kind of like a deeper view of that. And what I wanted to show you here, it's kind of like a different view of this. So you can see the bounce rate. Bounce rate is when a user comes to your page and it's measuring the interaction on your page. So if you have 100% bounce rate, the users didn't interact with the page. Now that might be adding something to a cart, it might be playing a video. So what we want to see here is anything less than 100%. So you can see that the 25 to 34 year old age group had an 83% bounce rate. So that's better than all the rest. You can see the time duration was longer too. So looking at this data, you can dial into, say that particular age group, do some A/B split tests against the other age groups to see, what you get and so forth. You can also have different versions of that data. You can have, pie graph, bar graphs here, so they make it pretty nice. Next, I want to show you the audience interest. Let's see here, interests, overview, and this gives you good targets for interests. So as you can see, this is Google, so you're going to be taking Google data and putting it in Facebook. So it's not going to match up right, but at least it gives you kind of like an idea or a better start in making Facebook ads. So I can tell you that this aligns with my webpage quite a bit better than what this does. So I might be trying to target something along these categories. But yeah, gives you really good information. It's better than making ad sets from scratch and not having any clue as to where to start. But hopefully you all can take some of this data and run with it and be successful. All right, thanks guys.